I'm going to show you guys how to make the best oven crispy chicken wings. Now, so you got the chicken wings. I got this from my grandma. We have a farm in Mississippi, so we just got it from the farm. So I'm going to cut these up, done like this. Bow. So what are we going to do is we're going to pat these wings dry. All we're going to need to season these wings is Old Bay, salt, pepper, and a little bit of cornstarch. So we're going to season it with a little bit of Old Bay, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. We're going to add in our cornstarch. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit more Old Bay to it. Now we're going to pop these in the oven. We're going to pop these bad boys in the oven at 455 for about 30 minutes. Then we're going to flip them in another 30 minutes. Let me show you. So I have some potatoes that I've washed, and we're going to cut them up right now. We're just going to cut them up. Me, personally, I don't care how our potatoes are cut up, but we're going to cut them up in like fried form in a sense. Again, rough. This is a very, very rough cut. Just want to let you guys know that. So, we're going to cut the fries. We're going to cut the potatoes into fry-like or as close as possible. So we got the fries cut up in fry-like form. We're going to cover the fries in some water, and we're going to put them in the microwave for about 5 minutes so the insides can get cooked. Then we're going to make them crispy in the air fryer. Let's go. So the wings have been cooking for 30 minutes. We're going to flip them and let them cook for another 30 minutes. So we got the potatoes cooked. We're going to pour them out. And this is the key. This is the key step that we have to do. We have to spread them out evenly. So we have to pat them dry. You have to make sure these are dry. This is going to affect the crispiness of the fry if they're not dry. This is my rub that I made. You can look in the previous videos to see the rub that I made, but I ain't gonna let y'all know it this time. Look how white my teeth are. So we're gonna add a little bit of oil to them. We're gonna add that secret rub, some cornstarch now. So we're gonna pop this in the air fryer at 350 for 18 to 12 minutes. Then again for 2 minutes on 400. And I'm gonna shake it every 5 to 6 minutes. So I'm gonna shake it 3 times. If I'm gonna let it go for 18, and you guys can do the math from there. I'm gonna also try them in the oven. I already got the oven on for 455. We're gonna let them cook for 20 minutes. And we're gonna flip them halfway through, so at 10 minutes. We're gonna, the oven fries, air fry fries. Cornstarch. Look, so, look, oh my gosh, the steam. This is hot. Get close so y'all can hear it. Crispy. Look at the other side. Hopefully I can hear the crunch. The oven fry. Okay. Let me know which one you guys look better. The oven fry. Then I have the air fryer fry. They look like Rally's fries basically. So I'm gonna try the air fryer fry first. Me personally, I don't know if you guys can hear the crunch because my fan going. That was a pretty damn good fry. The oven fry. I like them both. But if I had to pick, I would probably use the air fryer fry. Because there's a little more crunch to it. Just about a little bit.